Here's a 2011 Cadillac CTS Coupe. Exceptional elegance and masterfully crafted, this CTS amplifies your driving experience. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, sport suspension, integrated navigation system, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com observed, handling was hard to fault with quick, precise steering and a flat, composed attitude through quick transitions. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.